Now, as India grapples with the second wave of the COVID-19 crisis, the Indian Air Force have increased their efforts to expedite the supply of medical oxygen. Now, India's big toy C-17 Globemaster has conducted 400 sorties within the country to meet the demand right now. Let's take a look at this special report.
It's past midnight, but Hindon Air Base near Delhi is buzzing with activity. The massive heavy lift C-17 transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force touches down and takes off in quick frequency, all carrying COVID relief materials. The jumbo jets can airlift heavy oxygen containers and oxygen generators. One such flight from Israel is carrying 3 oxygen generators and cartons of 360 oxygen concentrators.
There is hectic activity here as one Indian Air Force transport aircraft has just landed from Israel carrying relief material. And what we are seeing in these big aircraft are oxygen generation plants. These plants are extremely important for hospitals where they can be installed.
This was the first Indian Air Force flight, but won't be the last, as Israel will be sending in more material, including oxygen containers.
There are 3 large oxygen generators in here, which will supply oxygen for the patients of 3 hospitals. And in addition, there are 4 pallets full of oxygen concentrators and other equipment, which will also help Indian patients. And we're very happy that this is the way our friendship with Indians, the Indian people and the Indian government is. That it's such a close and good friendship.
Till May the 7th, C-17 aircraft has conducted 400 sorties from within the country, including sorties to airlift 252 oxygen tankers with total capacity of 4,904 metric tons. The operation started in mid-April and have picked up pace over the last 20 days. Indian Air Force aircraft also conducted 59 international sorties to airlift 72 cryogenic oxygen storage containers with 1,233 metric ton capacity, along with 1,252 empty oxygen cylinders. The containers and cylinders are procured from Dubai, Bangkok, UK, Germany, Belgium, Australia, Israel and Singapore.
In days to come, these operations will continue as the Indian Air Force, along with the Indian Navy, is on a mission to make sure India is COVID-free. With camera person Anil Jaiswal from the Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad, Abhishek Bhalla for India Today.
Now, we are joined in by Air Vice Marshal Markand Ranade to discuss the efforts by Air Force in helping battle this COVID pandemic. So thank you very much for joining us. If you can take us through exactly the efforts that's been put in by the Air Force. In fact, the Air Force has been deeply involved in operations to bring oxygen tankers, relief material from across the world. Can you really give us some details as to what all has been done so far by the Air Force and what's to be done in the near future as well?
The Air Force has deployed 42 platforms, which include 12 heavy lift aircraft, that is C-17s and IL-76, and 30 medium lift aircraft, that is C-130 and AN-32s. These aircraft have been deployed on a round-the-clock 24/7 basis to bring in relief material from abroad. So far, we have done more than 65 sorties, brought in more than 75 oxygen containers and more than 1,300 oxygen cylinders from ex-India. Till now, our aircraft have gone to 8 countries, and in the next 24 hours, 2 more countries will be visited to bring in the relief supplies. We are ensuring that all tasks that have been given to the Indian Air Force are met in a professional and timely manner.
All right, thank you, Mr.